Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. So I'm so excited because my package finally came in the mail so I can proceed forward with my hair. So I ordered me some spring twist hair from Amazon. So what you guys currently see right now is me just opening up my box. Y'all, I can't get in there fast enough. I did kind of speed up the video, but here we are. So this is my hair, and I decided to go with YALL. YALL is the only spring twist hair that I use. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. What I'm going to use as a moisturizer is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. Yes, you guys know I love using a leave-in conditioner in order to do my braids or spring twists, etc. I'm also going to use some Shine Jam to hold the hair in place. So now what you guys see is that I have sectioned my hair, and yes, I mainly section with my hands after I've gotten my main part together. So I'm using very little product. It doesn't take a lot. Sometimes I get very handy-handed and I use more product than what's needed, and what you guys will probably see throughout this video. But a little bit actually goes a long way. So now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing my spring twist. This is what it looks like, you guys. I love this hair. I'm going to go in and I'm going to split the hair just in half, like so, like you guys see. And then I'm going to go in and install it as I would a braid. I am using the braiding technique first before I twist the hair. By the way, this hair is very affordable. For 4 packs, I paid about $23, and that was on sale. I think the ongoing price is about $29.99. I'm not sure, but I'll have that information listed down below in the description box if you're interested in purchasing this hair. It does come in a variety of different colors. So anyway, you guys, you can see where I kind of braided the hair in. I'm going to go in again, and I'm going to show you one more time. What I should have done with the first piece of hair was I should have detangled it first. So that's what you guys just saw here. I detangled it, and then I'm going in with my product. I'm going in with the moisturizer first, and then after that I'll go in with the Shine and Jam gel. I have installed the hair, and now I'm going to begin to braid it in. There are various ways in installing this hair. You can braid it in like I'm doing in today's video. You have some people who use the rubber band method, and then you have those who just do the good old crochet. So it really just depends on what you're most comfortable with. Now you guys probably also saw that the hair is not braided tightly to my scalp. Yes, I want there to be as less tension to my scalp as possible. So that's why I never get the hair braided too closely. Also with this hair, you're going to see some bumps and humps along the way as you're twisting, but that is okay, you guys. You don't even have to cut it off. I'm definitely not. Basically, I'm just going to let it boing like it did, and you'll never even know that there's an error with that particular twist. And I'm going to continue forward doing the same steps all over again as you guys just saw. So this is the side I've really been dreading because I have not started on this side at all, you guys, but we're going to knock it out anyway. So here I am. I'm working on the back. Again, I do not part with a comb. Definitely the parts that's not going to be seen anyway. So that's why my parts look all crazy. I don't mind it, y'all. It don't bother me. I am a lazy braider, and that's what that boils down to. After so long of standing, because I'm standing and doing my hair, I just grab hair. So in order for me to complete this entire style, you guys, it took me about 5 hours, give or take. I think it was a little bit more though. Usually when I do spring twist, it takes me about 2 hours, maybe 3. But the reason that it is taking me longer now, because as you guys have noticed, my taper sides have begun to grow out, and they're long enough for me to grip and braid. So it takes a little longer because I'm doing the whole head instead of half of my head now. So we're going to keep on moving forward. This is the progress that I have made thus far. I'm actually quite pleased because you guys, the shape this is taking on is absolutely amazing. It looks completely different than me just braiding half my head than all of my head. I'm loving the way that this is looking. Now keep in mind, y'all, although it looks like a lot of hair, it is extremely lightweight. It feels nothing like your regular box braids. This is so much lighter on my head. I'm loving it. So okay guys, we're almost at the finish line. I'm right here at the crown of my head, and I'm still doing the same method. As you guys can see, I tried to get in a little bit closer for you. I'm braiding the hair in. Now I usually try to get as far down as I possibly can with the braid. However, because my hair has grown a lot, I can only go but so far because I do want my hair to twist up. So just a FYI for you. Now the shorter your hair is, the easier the progress will be for you. Also, I've only used a pack and a half. Yes, girl, a pack and a half. The reason I'm able to use such little hair is because I cut my spring twist in half in order to get my desired length. For some odd reason or another, when it comes to spring twists, I do not like my twist very long, and plus I work out every day. So this length is a great length for me. Because I'm doing it at this length, it only requires a pack and a half. The longer you want your hair, the more hair you're going to require. The bigger you want your twist, the more hair you're going to require. So you would probably need all 4 packs of the hair, maybe more. But if you want my length, girl, a pack and a half. And I love that because that means that I can go in and I can do my hair again in spring twist, a little while from now. So, So this is what we got, y'all. OM freaking G. This turned out so cute. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and give it some time to rest. Here we are some time after. That was my silk scarf that I just pulled off. I'm going to go into my scalp and I'm going to apply my virgin hair fertilizer. Y'all know this is my OG. Normally I put that in my hair as I am braiding, but again I was being lazy this time, so I'm just now applying it to my scalp. Y'all, I love that tingling effect. It feels absolutely amazing to my scalp. I'm also applying it around my perimeter, as you guys can see, because I do want those edges to thicken up. Next, I'm going in with my coconut oil by OGX just to add a little sheen to my hair, y'all. This stuff smells super good. Smells like freaking cake or something. It smells really delightful. Next, I'm going in with my Murray's Edge wax, and I'm going to apply that to my baby hairs. I'm going to sleek that down for you. Jushing it, bam, bam. And then I'm going to go down and do it again right there. Shoosh. And y'all, that be it. So I'm going to let y'all look at this hair and lust over this beautiful style. If you want to see more pictures of my hair, follow me on Instagram. There's the information right there below for you. Y'all, boom, shakalaka, 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 yeah. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.